Why is silence powerful? Hello, friends, welcome to Motivational Bliss. If you are new here, do subscribe as I feel that you will surely love my content. So, let's get started. When I was small, I used to be very talkative, and I remember everyone telling me silence is golden, and I used to think, is it really so? Well, let us explore and understand what is silence. Well, silence in simple terms means forbearance from speech or noise, or even absence of sound or noise. Moving on to the meaning of the proverb, speech is silver and silence is golden. I bet most of you might not have heard the whole proverb because I remember only silence is golden. So, speech is silver, silence is golden is a proverb praising the value of silence over speech. Its modern form most likely originated in Arab culture, where it was used as early as the 9th century. The virtue of speaking well, rightly, and effectively also includes the capacity to stay silent when the situation demands so. Besides earning respect and acceptance, needless problems can be obviated because one is a slave of the words he utters while being a master of those he chooses not to speak. Now, if you are thinking, is silence good or bad? Well, the answer to this question would be more good and a little bad, depending upon the circumstances you are in. The dominant narrative of success and happiness is one of constant and unrelenting productivity, a wildly busy social life, and a never ending list of accomplishments that just keep growing and growing. Extroversion is celebrated and seen as the default personality mode, and if you are someone who prefers a bit of quiet and solitude, the people you love can even unnecessarily become concerned for your well being, seeing this as an unhealthy introvert behavior. But silence is incredibly healing for both extroverts and introverts. Think of your life in terms of cycles. Just like the earth, you need seasons of rest in order to fully bloom during the seasons of abundance. It can't be summer year round. Let us now look into the benefits of silence. The first one being rest time. Silence gives you a break. When you strip away the constant notifications on your phone, the drone of the television, and even the sound of crowds and traffic and everything that comes with city life, your mind is given space to breathe. Silence, although it can be unnerving at first, feels like a big cleansing exhale. It allows your mind true rest, something it probably isn't used to. That rest naturally helps reduce anxiety and stress levels while increasing inner peace. Moving to the second benefit, silence creates self awareness. When you sit with yourself in silence, all your public masks and societal roles are stripped away and you are alone with your true self. You are allowed to just be who you are, and along with that, you are free to start to recognize your true nature. You are not obligated to be a parent, friend, or employee. When you are silent, you are simply and wholly yourself and can begin to access deeper knowledge about yourself and become comfortable with who you are. Authentic mindfulness dawns. The third benefit would be silence makes you creative. Silence makes you more creative. It gives your mind the chance to process everything that it has been taking in and gives it time to cook a little. Humans are natural problem solvers, artists, and scientists, which all require a great deal of creativity. Creativity in turn requires a great deal of silence. Moving on to the benefit number 4, spirituality angle. Silence for spiritual purposes not only gives you inner peace, it is good for the soul. When you sink into silence, you begin to understand the interconnectedness of everything on earth. No matter your spiritual tradition, silence is spiritually powerful in that it allows you to both be a part of the world and to connect with the more subtle forces at work in the universe. Benefit number 5, healing power. Silence is also a gift of healing. It helps you work through trauma and disappointment. Things that need attention tend to rise up when you are silent. Sometimes things you didn't even know were an issue, and silence gives you time to work through them and heal. Think of silence like a river. Once the first layers of mud are cleared away, the stones underneath become uncovered and can be washed away as well. Benefit number 6, empathy and connection. Did you know silence actually increases empathy and ability to connect with others on a meaningful level? Silence can help you appreciate the people in your life more and can help you diagnose problems in relationships and recognize your own behaviors and habits. Benefit number 7, silence improves brain health. Silence is wonderful for your brain. Not only does it give your prefrontal cortex a break from processing stimuli, but in silence you can tap into something called the default mode of your brain. When you let your mind take over and daydream, contemplate, and get lost in your thoughts, there is evidence that this state helps to replenish brain cells too. The benefits of silence are many. But if you are still immersed in your daily life, still looking at your phone every few minutes, checking your email, working, texting, etc., the benefits of silence are greatly reduced. In order to truly tap into the inner quiet place, it helps to dedicate a set time in which you can excuse yourself from your daily responsibilities and focus fully on your own development. As every good thing has a few drawbacks, let us look into them. The first drawback would be when silence becomes a barrier to communication. When you are in a relationship, if you remain silent for too long, your relationship might break, since healthy communication is the basis of a healthy relationship. Silence is not correct in each and every situation. You need to adapt to situations and use it accordingly. The second drawback would be when silence is forced and not voluntary. Silence is very good when it is voluntary, but when it is forced, then this, my friends, is the exact moment where you need to break your silence and speak out loud. You cannot let anybody walk on your emotions. Consider yourself priceless so that others too think of you the same way. I suppose I have convinced you on the importance of silence. Now, how to train our mind to incorporate silence in life? Rome was not built in a day, and so, my friends, you cannot incorporate silence in your personality within a day. Silence is a skill, but as I always tell you that every skill can be mastered, it requires patience. I would like to take you through my journey of incorporating silence in my day-to-day life. Out of the 24 hours in a day, it requires an hour so that the other 23 hours actually gives us heavenly pleasure on earth. The ideal time would be in the morning, just after you have woken up. Actually, it is not compulsory, but I find it ideal. I divide the hour into 3 parts, first 10 minutes and then 2 periods of 25 minutes each. So let's dive into what to do in the first 10 minutes. Find a quiet corner in the house, keep the mobile away, take a book and pen, write the date and jostle down your daily plans and goals. Try to keep your daily goals realistic. Next day, do see your progress, how much you have achieved the first day, and on that basis set your second day goals filled with the required improvements. That's fun, I suppose. Doing this gives direction and purpose to our life. Now moving on to the second part, that is the first 25 minutes. This is meditation time. Since you have already found a quiet corner and kept the pesky mobile away, now you are required to sit still and meditate. At first it will be difficult because except when sleeping, do you remember the moment when you were silent without doing anything? Well, if it seems easy, it is not. But what's the fun of doing things that are easy? So begin with a minute, then 5 minutes, then 10, and then the magical number 25 minutes. Be patient, good things take time, you will be amazed by the results. Now to the last and the third part. The third part is the second 25 minutes and that is the reading time. Well, I am not talking about reading novels. Well, you could do it, but then we have to use this 25 minutes to the fullest. So read some motivational books. Keep a diary and a pen and write down what you learned from it daily. The diary is for recollecting. Many times I see that I read some cool things, but after a while I forget, so the diary helps. This daily routine has immensely helped my mental and physical well-being. Do surely give it a try, my friends. Do not forget, I am following this routine since 3 years and I feel the benefits are subjective. Being silent under provocation or in a tense situation is an art, and most important requirement is control of mind. When you start controlling your mind, you become more cool and composed. It will take time to tame your mind, but when you do it, trust me guys, half of your life's problems are solved. The more time you spend in stillness and quiet, the more productive you will become. The more skilled you become at mindfulness, the more you can produce. Practicing mindfulness can help you bring your best self to each situation in life so you can make better decisions. So my friends, you must have understood that silence is powerful. Be smart enough to use it the right way. Hope you loved the video, my friends. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Also, do not forget to leave your valuable comments below.